Hello everyone, we're gonna grab hair from one side and then taking a ponytail, folding it out once. Then taking some more hair and then doing the same step. After it's ready, we're gonna make two braids out of the remaining hair at one side. Next, we're gonna take two ponies, one at each side, folding them once and making two braids, joining them at the back. Then joining some more hair at the back by using two rubber bands and then making a simple braid with the remaining hair. Next, we're going to take two ponies joined with the braids and then further converting them into round shaped buns and then adding these beautiful hair accessories. You can add anything as per your choice. Next, we're going to take this high ponytail with a braid in it. Then we're going to make a space in the middle, folding it out into a beautiful bow and now giving this remaining hair a beautiful braid effect. And it's ready. Next, we're going to take two ponies, one at each side, converting them into braid and then folding them into each other, and now they are ready. Next, we're going to start by taking this braid by taking some hair and then we're going to fold it out into a round bun, taking the remaining hair, making two ponies and further converting them into twisted braid like this and joining them with the bun itself, and your hairstyle is ready.